Have you ever tried to get your number off an aggressive salesperson's list? It can feel downright frustrating, but it doesn't have to be that way with email. The best brands understand that a happy and engaged member of their audience is far better and less expensive than one that's not. Some brands use shady practices like no unsubscribe. Some senders don't offer an unsubscribe, particularly if they're not sending newsletters, so there's no way to stop the emails. A broken unsubscribe link, sometimes the unsubscribe link is actually broken. Some senders hide the link in light-colored text or send the unsubscribes to a complicated page that confuses them into keeping their subscription active. And then there's the desperate unsubscribe. Some senders just get annoyingly desperate, making their subscriber navigate the gauntlet of pleas to keep you on the list. The typical customer's reaction is to stop trying and mark the email as spam already. Guess what that does to the health of your list and the ability for your future emails to get delivered? Here's an important thing to understand. Unsubscribes are not necessarily a bad thing. People unsubscribe for a lot of reasons, and it may have nothing to do with you. Regardless of the reason, it's actually better for your marketing that they're not on your list. Here's the damage that an unengaged audience member can cause. They drag down your email performance because they're not opening or clicking your messages. Their unsubscribe could actually give your email metrics a boost. For some email service providers, you pay for every email contact in your list, so an unsubscribe can actually save you money. Make unsubscribing easy and clear by using large and prominent text. Offer the option to update their preferences instead. This gives your subscribers the control to make choices about the type and frequency of emails they receive from you. Give them other ways to stay in touch. Just because they unsubscribe from your emails doesn't mean that they don't want to hear from you ever again. Maybe they just want a cleaner inbox. Offer them the chance to connect with you on social media, for example. Use a single opt-out when they unsubscribe. The best practice here is to confirm online after they click to unsubscribe. There's no need to send them another email. And once every year or so, I encourage you to send your inactive contacts a re-engagement campaign and encourage them to update their preferences or unsubscribe. Some brands find that sending a special deal or a coupon encourages re-engagement. If they continue to be inactive, it's time to clean your list and delete them. Remember, it's not necessarily a bad thing.